YouTube. Monday already, soon comes round, doesn't it? I think we're all a bit rough today after Christmas drink in Leeds Saturday. Justin's actually coming today, but I still don't think he's right well. He's full of COVID apparently, so might have to send him home. He's just getting some stuff off of their van. I don't think lads want to catch it neither, which you can't blame them, so nobody wants to be near him. I can hear him wrenching in your heart, so he's just going to unload that van and then I'm going to send him home. He don't know yet. I was going to get him picking some timber and that up for tomorrow, but they'll have to do it, so it is what it is. Great start to the week, but apart from that, all good in the hood. Lads are going to the job they were supposed to do Friday, but they turned up and clients got plumbers there and everything working, so they weren't even ready for us, and he was emailing and texting me, what time your lads coming? Like they weren't even ready for us, so. And we think it's now bigger than what he told us the measurements, because he had a concrete pad where this boiler thing's going to fence that round with some gates, and he hadn't allowed for these big massive pipes coming outside, so it needs to be wider than what he's told us, so. And it's in white, so I don't even think we're going to have enough, so that'll be fun and games, but he'll have to pay for it, won't he? So yeah, just more problems, Monday morning blues, you know what I mean? But anyway, I shall crack on now and get back to you shortly. Good morning, YouTube. Fine day at Airedale. It's still bloody dark in the morning. Lads are just loading up for a domestic job here behind us. Justin's rung this morning, he's still knackered. Got COVID, in fact he's just sent a picture of him, looks like he's in hospital waiting room, so yeah, it's not good news. So we don't want him anywhere near us, we don't want to get it. So yeah, lads got done yesterday, nice white 358 job that looked well actually. Hopefully put a picture on screen now, Josh. Yeah, it did look well. First one in 30 odd years I've done white. 20 odd metres, 28 I think it is. It's like 8 feather edge, some on floor here to do for an old lady. We did some for her last year, and then she wants another couple of sides doing. Hopefully it'll be alright. She went to have cleared it a bit, but I'm not sure she would have done. But yeah, we'll see how we get on. Hopefully the lads will get some footage when they're there. And I shall see you later.
Good morning. Well, it's afternoon now. Just doing a domestic at an old woman's house. We actually did that side for 2.5 years ago. I can't remember the job that Baggy did, but yeah, we've cut all this back. We've had to cut a lot of trees back to get a line down here. So, and then we're just going up here and up here with some feather edge. So we're just putting capping on. Baggy's going to do this side and I'll do that side, so straightforward job for Tuesday. On to other things tomorrow. So yep, we're all happy, customers happy. It's gone up that corner up there. So yeah, so all this will die down in winter. You'll be able to tidy your garden up.
Yeah. Have you cut some of the plants that were in my garden?
We cut a bit back, yeah. We've had to cut quite a lot back, yeah, to get a line down, but yeah. Yeah, we're happy you're pleased. Another happy customer.
I've just been to see another car dealership place there. That's two this morning. Weird how they're near each other. This was a big one that I've just seen. He owns, like, there's 3 different car dealership places all in one. He owns it all, and it's Fazil Khan who started in Bradford. You know, they modified the cars and stuff. Seen him on telly and all sorts. That could be a good job if we get it. We're a big site. He's already had a quote, I believe. Anyway, but then interestingly, I've just had wife phone me, nearly in tears, panicking. I'll just pull out with me like, mate. Yeah, cheers. So we actually rent our home, and we've been there 6-7 years now. Whoa. taxi just come from outside lane and pulled straight in at side. Lauren to the cells anyway. Yeah, we must have been there 6-7 years, and apparently he's just emailed to say he's wanting to sell the house, I think. Do we want to buy it? So wife's panicking now, because she don't want to move and don't think we can afford mortgage, because that'll be expensive where we are. That's why we've never bought it, to be honest. It'll be 350 grand or something, I would have thought. A lot of money in it, especially at our age, in his 50s. So yeah, we'll see what happens there. If not, I have to look at renting elsewhere or even buying something. But I have been saying for a while to her that we could do with buying a little house. Anyway, I'm like I said earlier, it's weird how all these jobs seem to be in the same area at the same time. And then I've had another call from a customer I do some work for. They've got a site up in Morley, which is literally 10-15 minutes from where I've just been on Ring Road. So I'm going to go up here and have a look while I'm here. As I say, I'm just at this site near Morley, basically where this zebra crossing is. I think they're trying to separate this yard here from the rest of it down here, and it goes, you know, up there. I presume it's going to go there somewhere because they've got a fire exit there, so I'm not too sure. She's actually WhatsApping me some photos over it now, what they're planning on doing. But I think they're just trying to separate this yard here. We're going to need some gates, although it is on a bit of a slope. So yeah, we'll have to think about that one. That's solid concrete there, so I might be able to bolt them down, which might be okay. I'll probably get Carl out to have a look at that. Think about having in-house welders now. So yeah, I'm just going to wait for her to send me these pictures through, and then I'll get my wheel and measure it, but it's only about 20 metres out in total, I think. So yeah, I shall catch you later. Lads already, loaded already. Nice 2 metre high job. Got panels and tools on Baggy's van there. Job for Bradford Council. They've actually got a team to come and take some timber out there, so we're hoping they might just take them couple of panels for us. We're cheeky enough. Alright, yeah, sound. I got a nice bottle of wine off suppliers the other day. Crate of Guinness, 2 bottles of wine and some biscuits.
You're not sharing that?
Well, I give it my wine last, I don't drink wine. So yeah, they're just on the way now. It's up at Odsall Top actually. One of our suppliers, look. Thank you, Estate Sawmills. Thank you, Estate Sawmills. Nice little touch from you there. I must be a good buyer, eh? In fact, I've had a couple of cards off of suppliers this year. One of my main suppliers came the other day, like I say, looked after us. Some wine, biscuits, Guinness. So yeah, Justin's going to meet the council bloke over there, which I were going to meet. I didn't realise they were actually back in today. Seemed a bit better, thank God. So we can go meet him. Just walk through job with lads. Lee's meter, lovely. Get on with my admin. So I don't mind, I've cancelled the job this morning because I didn't think I was going to get time. So I didn't think Justin was in, but anyway, I'll do it tomorrow.
Job we've been doing at Odsall, I just completed it this morning. It's Friday morning. It's actually took us a couple of days. 92 metre we've put in. Been a fairly good dig for us, so yeah, it's fluing, absolutely fluing. So just finished off in this corner here. I had to cut a concrete post out there what were affecting us lines, so I've just come down here, got one, sneak one in that tree, and then we just finished off nicely here up to this railing, this old railing. So yeah, job's gone really well for us. It's all neat and tidy. We've raked all bucket soil out. Looks really well, really well. So they're pleased with it. They've come and signed job off. So very good.
I just wanted to touch base on what happened, something to us personally. You see, I don't know much, or if I did actually mention it. But basically we rent our current home, lovely place, we've been there 7 years it'll be soon. Just seen a bus going up and driver dressed as a full-fledged Santa behind wheel. That was the funniest thing I've ever seen. They just have an hat on, they were proper Santa. Oh, that was funny. He just waved at me as well, that was funny that. Anyway, getting back to my tale. So yeah, I don't know how much I said, but basically we've been renting, lovely place where we live, Carley, if anyone knows it. And basically we got an email yesterday. Well, first of all, my wife sort of rang me nearly in tears. Have you seen the email? Which I hadn't, so I was driving at the time. Anyway, it's more or less landlords are putting our house on market. Would we be interested in buying it? Flipping heck. Anyway, we've sort of had a look. I mean, don't have it valued or anything yet, but we just know it's probably going to be out of our price range, to be honest. Especially at our age now. You know, I'm 53 next, so you know, to get a mortgage at nearly £400,000 or whatever it'll be, I'm not infused with that idea, if I'm honest. We're hoping to retire in about 10 years, but so anyway, we've been having a look round. Obviously wife's still panicking and a bit anxious, but I'm actually, I wouldn't say excited, but I'm quite looking forward to it, and I think we're just gonna buy our own house. You know, I'm driving probably through the area now, very close to where we're thinking, and it's literally, I mean, I'm from around here anyway, and it's literally a mile, not even that, from where we live now, and house prices are literally half for a lot bigger house as well. Don't get me wrong, our house is nice, but for that money down in this area you could literally get something twice as big, you know. We've got a few viewings now. Saturday morning I think we've got 2 already booked in. I'm going to try and get a couple more booked in and see how we get on, you know, and just see what you're actually getting for your money. Yeah, we probably could afford to buy our house where we are now per se, but it's the deposit money that you need, and of course because of our age we'd only be able to get a, I think, 17-year mortgage or whatever it is, 15-year, I don't know. So obviously the deposit that we'd have to find at least 10% of, you know, we're talking 40-50 grand, and I'm just not into that. I don't want to put all my savings into something and then be skinned and you can't go on holiday, and yeah, I'm not into that. We enjoy his holidays and cruises and, you know, things like that. We have a decent life. So we've come to the conclusion we'll get somewhere further down the area, and you know, we did actually see one yesterday that were really good, but it's actually nearly bought subject to contract, which is a shame because it'd have been ideal, but anyway, such is life. So yeah, I thought I'd just share that one with you, and I'll let you know how we get on with that.
So we've still go around this. We're going to put a few bags around that, so it's pulled it all. We've put a fish plate bolted on that. I'm just going to spray that up, welded it to it, and then I don't know what's happened here, but look how much that's bent. So we're going to have to adjust all that after it's gone off. It's all good that. We've straightened all the slider. Baggy's just drilling some new holes. Adjusted it all. It's all working. It's all tidy, sprayed up. So I'm going to get Andy out and just show him. So yeah, all good here.